Yo, yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. All these thoughts in my heart won't let me sleep. I think about you and the times we keep all tangled up in our minds when we lay in the sheets. I know it's fucked up, but without you I feel so stuck. When you're deep in my mind with that old love, and I just think of all the times that I showed up. You always let me pull you in, I think it's cause we tried to make it work as friends. That never works in the end, it always leads to someone getting hurt again. So I keep coming back, I know it breaks your heart and I don't want that. But when I close my eyes, no I don't see black. All I see is your face and I want it back.
Why'd you go and tear me apart? If you're gonna come back when you are lonely. It's messed up how you give me these scars. Then you're gonna go ask if I'm okay. Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm so fucking far from being okay. Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm so fucking far from being okay.
Are you okay? Please stop asking if I'm okay. I'm not alright, no way. I'll just save that shit for another day. I ain't playing, girl, and the shit all around needs some changing world. It's all up in flames to the pavement, girl. It got me so sick, I'm about to hurl. All I can change is me, so I try to do it so gracefully. But reminders all around hit blatantly, so I sit in my room, wait patiently. I don't need this drama, just hand me the vodka. I'll do what I wanna, I'll do what I gotta, cause I just can't handle these thoughts any longer.
Why'd you go and tear me apart? If you're gonna come back when you are lonely. It's messed up how you give me these scars. Then they're gonna go ask if I'm okay. Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm so fucking far from being okay. Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm so fucking far from being okay.
my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. Going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.